how I made this savvy meal, well keep watching.
Come to Lidl to see what savvy meal I can cook up tonight. Grab a basket and let's get to it. Thai red curry paste, and I'm also going to get some coconut milk, spring onions, a red pepper, some mange tout. Next on the list is some pork, so I'm going to go for these 4 pork loin steaks. Grab yourself some pineapple chunks. I'm going to go for these in a tin. You can use fresh if you like. And finally, grab yourself any rice you like. You could do boil in the bag rice, you could make your own rice in a pan, you could get the microwave rice, whichever rice you like. I'm going to go for, it's a toss up between the coconut or the long grain. I think we've got loads of flavours going on, so just going to grab myself 2 of the easy microwavable long grain rice.
So I'm back home now, guys, and I'd just like to thank each and every one of you for liking, sharing and commenting on my posts. So something a little bit different today. I'm going to be having the pork done as a red curry. Absolutely love Thai curry, mate, and I love the red one the most. So I'm going to start off with cutting my spring onions. So I'm going to be cooking with the white part, and I'm going to be using the green as a garnish. So I've just cut up my spring onions and my red pepper, and now I'm just cutting up my pork into slices. Keep your fat on if you like. I still think pork is a really, really good meat to use because it's still cheap and it's really tasty. So in a hot oil pan, in go the red pepper and the spring onions. And I'm also going to add some garlic. Just give those a quick mix. And then in goes the pork, and we're going to cook this till it's all browned off. So that's been cooking away now, and as you can see, it's made loads of beautiful juices, and we're going to get all the paste in. Yes, every single last bit. And do you know how we get the last bits out as well? I get the coconut milk, get some in there, give it a shake, and we'll get all that out and give that a really good mix up. And how good is that looking? I mean, if you could smell this, smells amazing. So in goes the coconut milk. Now I'm using the light one. This is a really, really nice dish. You don't have to use the light, you can use the other if you like. And we're going to give this a mix up, and we're just going to simmer this off. Final part now is just to add your mange tout and your pineapple, and then we're just going to let that simmer off for about 5 minutes. And that is ready. I cannot wait to try this. So I've got 2 plates going on. I have got some rice left over. I think pineapple goes perfect with a red Thai curry. There's absolutely tons on here as well. Look at that. Get your green spring onion that you had before, just pop that on as a garnish. And it's as easy as that. A nice, healthy, savvy meal from Lidl or wherever you want to buy it from. Pork, love the pork. Get the red pepper on there. Might be a bit hot for you though, Mark. So if you do like red curry, give it a try, and especially try it with pineapple or even mango.